Oh, y'all waiting for this breakup. Live trade, real account, live trade. I'm doing my 500 to 5,025 days today. And I'm waiting on it to break up. I've been opening up a trade. I withdrew 205 today. Waiting on this breakup. I'm talking about trying to get it. As soon as it closes out, it's about to go up. Some live trading. Let's go. Get up there. Yeah. Pay attention to my other charts. My trading view right there. I stay on trading view while I'm trading on my MetaTrader. It's been consolidated almost all morning, waiting on this breakout. US30. So yeah, just wait and see what's gonna happen. I'm trying to get it up there. I'm trying to do the damn thing. There we go. There we go. There we go. I don't have my supports and resistance on here because I have it on my trading view account. Like I said, I watch my trading view chart while I'm trading on the MT4, and I have my supports, my resistance, and I have the same strategy set up on their indicators and all. But I like my MetaTrader chart to be pretty clean, so I do all my setups, supports and resistance, trend lines on the trading view, and I keep my trading view open while I'm trading on my MT4. So that's pretty much how I do my thing. So for sure, for sure. Yeah, I got a few people on Instagram. I got a handful of people on Instagram that follow me, man, and that I give, I share with my experience and try to help them out with what I'm learning and what I know. I've had a couple ask me if they can look at me as a mentor since I know a little bit more than them, and I don't mind, man. Some people have offered to charge me for signals. I mean, some people have offered to pay me for signals and pay me for my knowledge, but I'm a firm believer of each one teach one. Knowledge is free. I believe knowledge is free because you can go out there and search it for yourself and learn. I do understand that sometimes people need a helping hand and someone who knows better to help them out. And I wish I had that. I wish I had a mentor when I first started Forex because I would be further along than what I am now. So I'm willing to just share with people who are really hungry. I'm not going to go out there and try to teach people, but if they reach out to me and they really want to learn this, then hell yeah, each one teach one. I'm a firm believer of that, man, because I don't care what I teach you. You're not stopping my money. People will be like, well, why are you giving away the game for free when you could be charging and making money? Because I'm already making some money. And the more people I help, the more I grow. When they grow, I grow. You know what I mean? It's all about networking, building a foundation, building a relationship with people. You know what I mean? And you help somebody else grow, man, you will forever be somebody who is of importance in their life, man, and their gratitude to you is overwhelming. You know, I actually like to help people. I actually like to. I Hey, can y'all be quiet? Excuse me. I actually like to help people. You know what I mean, to the best of my ability, and I wish as many people as I reached out to while I was trying to learn this, and I'm still learning. I've really never really had people reach back out to me. I've chatted with a few people, but they're not doing what I'm doing, man. They're not giving you their strategies. They're not showing you how they're actually making their money. There's some people out there that help you out. They that, you know, they draw up charts with you and all this and that, you know, and shout out to them. But I actually show people why I take my trades and stuff like that, and I would never charge nobody. Knowledge is free, man. Even though we pay for the stupid ass school systems, but you can learn anything you want as long as you put your mind to it. And if, like I said, I'm not looking for people to teach. I'm not, oh, here, let me teach you how to do this, let me teach you how to do that. Hell nah. You know, because I'm watching my trades too. But people who reach out to me, hell yeah, I reach back out to them. So yeah, man, we just watching this trade, trying to see who's going to go up in my favor, break my, I have my resistance line right now at 24,163, and it's riding that line right now. On my chart, that would be 24,143. Trading View is like up $20 ahead at any given time than the MetaTrader, because it's different platforms. Different platforms are at different prices. If you trade, then you know what I mean, because it could be a certain price on one chart with one platform and then a certain price on another platform, you know what I mean? So, yeah. My kids are around making all this noise. All good. So, yeah, on my 30-minute chart, man, we have 2 more minutes for it to close. Well, actually, 2 minutes, 52 seconds. And if it closes above 24,142, it will be closing above the resistance, and it will be closing above my simple moving average line, which is the red one. And as you can see down here at the bottom, the blue has already crossed the red. The blue has been crossed the red over here. We're just waiting for price to close above my red line, and that is a signal to all 3 confirmations to take a buy and to hold that buy. But since we are at the resistance level, I would wait for this candlestick to close above and then watch the next 30-minute candlestick to see what it's going to do for the confirmation. The next 30-minute candlestick close, or the next 15-minute candlestick close. After this 30-minute candlestick close, if you go to your 15-minute chart and then the 15-minute candlestick closes above, see, that's already doing its thing. But after this one, if the next one closes above, for sure take a trade for a buy. That's what I would do. But I'm already in a trade, as y'all can see, so I'm not worried about all that. I'm a stop loss. As I said, I'm always 100 behind until I get above 50. Then I'm 50 behind it. So let's just see what it's going to do, man. I'm not going to be too much longer on here. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, it's taking off now. It's time to take off. It is time to take off. Y'all see this? Real live trade. Real live trade. And yes, I know I'm not taking a big trade. That's because, as y'all can see, I transferred out some money this morning. But I'm on this new challenge for myself, which is 500 to 5,000 in 25 days at a 10% daily growth. 10% plus, because I'm not going to stop it when I trade, but I'm going to make sure I leave with at least $50 for sure to grow my account 10% each day. And if I grow my account from 500, 10% each day, I could be at 5,000 in 25 days. And 7 days later, that 5,000 will go to 10,000 at a 10% growth rate. So once this gets a little bit more up, I'm putting my stop loss at 24,157, and that will give me my $50. And I'm following 50 behind my trade all day. I'm not going to close out a winning trade, but I am going to make sure I leave with my 10% plus. And whatever I get over my 10%, I'll transfer it out of my trading account over to my wallet and let that be saved. All right, 30-minute candlestick closed. Let's see what this one's going to do. Oh, that's the 15. Let's go to the 30. 30-minute candlestick closed above both lines. So we looking to jump. We looking to jump. So this is a live trade. So it's 170. I'm going to modify my stop loss. That's what's up. So it's 130.08. So I need to be at 24. Follow at 50 behind. 24.1. I want to say 120. So 24.130 stop loss. That'll put me in profit even though it stops out. So yeah. I'm 70 up. Let's do this. I'm gonna take off now. Oh, it's quiet as hell. I'm gonna have to put some music in this background when I load it. We're 12 minutes in. Alright. Trade. I've been making faces like a motherfucker, don't I? There you go. Already. It's one of the guys that asked me to mentor. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Mom, you need the headphones?
I'm gonna get up there, man. You're trying to fight, ain't you? It's trying to fight back, but it already broke the support. I mean, it already broke resistance and it's closed above, and this one's finna rock. So, man, hell yeah, y'all see what it is, man. Y'all see what it is. I said this is a live trade, so y'all can go look at it right now. It is at on the MetaTrader 24,182.62. On TradingView, it's at 24,202.8. It's gonna keep going up, man. Y'all go check it out for yourself, man. I ain't got all day to stay on this, man. I just want to show y'all a live trade that I'm taking. Real account, y'all know. That's what's up.